Hey you guys, Dino Gomez here, founder of Coaching Launch as well as Seven Figure Visionary, and what we are going to cover today is how to design an online course. Let's get into it right now. All right, guys, online courses are blowing up like nothing else, all right? And one of the main questions that we hear over and over and over again that I see out there in the marketplace online is that everybody wants to know, how do I design an online course? All right, and so that's what we're going to be covering today, is exactly how to design an online course very quickly in just 3 steps. All right, and so what we're going to do right now, guys, is we're going to hop over to my computer and we're going to walk you through those 3 steps. We're also going to give you guys a cheat sheet that's going to make it super simple for you to design your online course. All right, so let's get into it. All right, guys, so step 1 of designing your own online course, guys, is very simple. What you want to do is you want to figure out what is the main goal or outcome of your program or online course, right? What are people going to be able to do after they take and finish your online course? So that's step 1, is to figure out what the very end of your course is going to look like and what the end result or transformation is going to be for your clients and customers that go through your online course. All right, and what we're going to show you guys in a second is this, which is our course outline matrix. All right, and that's coming up in a second. All right, but the second step, after you understand what the main goal of your course is, what you want to produce with your course, what your clients and customers will be able to do after taking your course, step 2 is that we actually need to go ahead and design the course. All right, and so this is very simply where we're going to map out exactly what it is that is going to happen step by step inside of our online course to get people the ultimate end result that we want them to have. All right, and then step 3, guys, is we want to figure out how to price our online course. We'll talk a little bit more about pricing in a moment and ways that you can increase the price of your course and make it more valuable to your actual customers and clients. All right, so really there's only 3 steps here. Decide what the goal of your course is, design your online course, and then price your online course. All right, so let's go over to step 2, guys, because right now you guys probably have an idea of what type of course you want to create. If you don't, go check out a link in the description that will take you over to another video that will help you figure out your niche for your actual coaching service. Okay, but right now, this video, we're focusing right on how to design and outline an online course. All right, and so what you really want to do is think of your course like an actual book, okay? And each book, whenever you read a book, right, it has a chapter, all right? And those chapters all have specific themes to them, all right, about what's happening, all right? So you're going to have these different chapters, all right, to your online course. These chapters are all called modules, all right? So think of it as a chapter of a book. It's a specific module, and then inside the module, you might have 3 video lessons here. You might have 5 video lessons on this one here, all right? Or you might have just 2 video lessons on this one here. All right, but what makes it very easy to design your online course is to figure out what the main chapters are going to be of your online course, or otherwise modules. All right, and so that is where the visionary matrix comes in. All right, and so this right here, guys, is our course, is a PDF that is basically allows us to design our online course. All right. And every one of these steps is going to become a module, all right? This is going to make it crystal clear for you how to actually go ahead and design your online course, all right? So the first step, all right, if I'm creating a course about how to grow a Facebook group, which we do have one of those courses, it's only $27. It shows you how to build an audience so that you have an audience to sell your online course to. If you're interested in checking that out, it's in the description beneath this video as well. But in that course, the very first module, we knew that needed to be about mindset, all right? Because the problem is that many people, all right, I'll put this here. Many people don't think they are an expert enough to launch an online course. So that's one of the problems we know. It's called imposter syndrome, all right? And one of the things you guys want to be wary of out there is, trust me, to launch an online course, right, and be very successful, make thousands, if not millions from your online course, you do not need credentials. You do not need a college degree. You do not need a certification, all right? So don't let the really big brands out there online convince you that you need to have some life coaching school certification that, you know, is you have to pay $100,000 for or something like that. It is not the case whatsoever, all right? So this is the problem, is many people don't think they're an expert enough to launch a course, all right? And so then here's the description of the videos that I would shoot. Video 1, video 2 is going to be about this, video 3 in this module, and video 4. All All right, these 4 videos are going to help people overcome different mindset issues. It's going to help them understand that they are awesome enough with their life experiences to teach others. And it's going to give other examples such as, right, there's no formal credentials to be a parent. Okay, there's no handbook to be a parent. Yet millions of people out there, right, have children and are basically the course instructor to their children on how to live life. All right, so we have this here. Here's the benefits. People are going to walk away feeling confident, right? So improved confidence. They're going to have direction, and they're going to understand, right, how to that they are good enough to, as an individual, to become a course instructor, to become a coach. All right, tools and resources. All right, there might be a handbook or otherwise like an exercise that we want people to go out, use. There might be a PDF. There might be a course outline matrix like the one you're looking at here if I was teaching people how to design their course. So I'm going to list out, as the course creator, what are the things I need to create, tools, resources that are going to help people complete and understand this section of the course. All right. Then step 2, this is going to be modules 2. This is going to be like building your Facebook group. All right. So how to launch and optimize a Facebook group, right? And the problem here is that, in order to sell a course, you need to have an audience. All right. And so the problem here is that in this particular program on how to launch an online course and how to build a Facebook group full of thousands of potential prospects and customers, the problem is that if you want to launch an online course, you need to have an audience. So I know that's the problem. So the description is we're going to show you how to build and fill up your Facebook group with prospects. All right. Here are the benefits. You're going to have an audience who, by the time you're done with this module, you'll have an audience who knows, likes, and trusts you. All right, so you have audience who trusts you. All right, tools and resources. We're going to have the Facebook group building outline PDF. All right, so basically what you are doing here with this matrix here, guys, is this matrix will walk you through step by step all of the different modules and video lessons that you need to have to design an online course. You just go through this step by step. All right, and this matrix can become as long or as short as you want. So maybe you only have 3 modules in your course. Maybe that's all that's needed to get people the end result that you were promising them. Or maybe you have 5 modules. Maybe you have 6 modules. Maybe you have 10 modules. It really just depends what your niche is and what end result you're helping people to achieve by going through your actual program. All right, and so this right here, guys, it will only take you about 15 minutes or so, but you can fill this out, and literally in 15 minutes, you can have your entire course mapped out. And then you just go to this and you know exactly which videos you need to record, which modules they're going to go into, and then how to even name those modules. Like module 1, we would probably name this one the mindset of becoming an online coach. Module number 2 is how to build and optimize your Facebook group and how to build an audience, right? And module number 3, it might be, okay, here's how to price your coaching services. Module 4 is like how to make offers to your audience to land them as clients. Module number 5 is like how to deliver your actual course to your clients. All right, this is basically our outline for one of our programs we call Coaching Launch. It's only $27. So if you guys are looking to actually not only design your online course, but if you're looking to build an audience for free using a free Facebook group for which you can then sell your course to, all right, be sure to check that out in the description because it's an amazing deal. It's what most coaches charge thousands and thousands of dollars for. We only charge $27, and we have had hundreds and hundreds of online courses successfully go through that program and launch their online course. All right, guys, I hope this video training was helpful for you guys. If it was, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get notified every single time we come out with a new video training that is going to help you grow your online coaching business. My name is Dino Gomez, and until next time, guys, we will see you in the next video.